Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in and even adjust the crossfade in between your songs that you're currently playing on Spotify. So select your profile and go to the settings tab. Scroll down until you find playback. And here you're just going to enable crossfade songs and you'll be able to adjust the how many seconds in between these songs you want to have this crossfade. It's usually at 5, but you can have it until 12 seconds, and the minimum is 0, of course. But I usually have it at the 5-second setting, but again, you can adjust it to your liking. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!